Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have some NASCAR Authentics from the 2020 Wave 3. We have Brad Keselowski's PPG car. On the back are some more cars you can get. Let's get him out of the box. So here's the magnet. And here is Brad Keselowski's number 2 car. So the number 2 car is PPG, which is a paint company. So there's the rainbow colors, the white back, Worth, remember as well. And here's the magnet, the same thing for on the side of his car, but with his name and number 2 on, which is also the same thing. Now there was another car that looked similar to this. It's Ryan Blaney's, but the major difference is Keselowski was blue all the way on the front, and then Blaney had the white fender on it. And the spoilers on it as well. So Keselowski has a white spoiler, Blaney has a blue spoiler, but their backs are still the same, the sides are still the same. And also on top, Ryan Blaney had PPG while Brad Keselowski had Worth. Now you've seen Keselowski drove this car in Martinsville as well, and he's drove the 12 a few times in the Xfinity series with this car. There's a full 360. And that would be it. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.